This is where glamour meets comfort. I'm gonna be reviewing these Amina Muaddi pumps and letting you know if they are worth the money or not. So please subscribe and keep watching. Celebrities love these shoes, but why do they love Amina Muaddi so much? Well, it has to do with the materials. These shoes are a little bit on the pricier side, but you can get them at a discounted price if you go to outlets. That's what I did. Something that caught my attention about them, obviously, is that they're clear and that they have this beautiful bow in the front. All of my shoes are pretty much nudes, gold, and black, and I wanted something that's a little bit different and that would stand out. And I don't have any orange shoes, so orange shoes, in my opinion, are beautiful. They make a statement piece, and every time I've worn them, I've gotten compliments on them. If you're wondering if the bow in the front is a little fragile, well, it's not. It's glued in, but it's very sturdy, and then the studs that it brings are not going to fall off. You can tell that they're very secured within the actual metal bow that they come in. The sole of the shoe is also leather, and then Amina Muaddi is known for having this type of heel. That's how you know, like, it's from that designer. They went viral a couple of years ago, and something that caught my attention was obviously the heel. Because they're clear, they are comfortable, and you can wear them for a long time, honestly, and you can walk in them. The strap in the back, something that I like about it is that it doesn't glide down. That's obviously a deal breaker for me, and these truly stay in place. So that you know a little bit about the designer, Amina Muaddi, she's a Romanian, Jordanian designer, and her shoes are worn by celebrities, like even Rihanna wears them, Kim Kardashian wears them. So she is very known in the shoe world. Another pair of shoes that I really like from her are the clear ones that have the butterfly in the front. Those are completely sold out everywhere. I've looked for them a million times. So when I saw these, I'm like, I have to get them, and then if I ever find the other ones, I'm gonna get those too. This type of shoe, in my opinion, just elongates your legs and gives you comfort, and it gives you the ability to dress them up or dress them down. The heel is balanced out, if you notice, from the back to the front, and that is to give you more stability. That's what's going to make them more comfortable. For example, with the Socates, the heel is very large, but in these you can tell that it's a decent height, and that's what makes them comfortable to walk in. They do work with evening wear. You can wear them during the day, you can wear them for numerous places, and it depends how you want to make them look. For example, if you want to wear them for lunch, you would wear a dress, or you can wear jeans. You want to wear them for dinner, you would wear something that's a little bit more elegant, and they would look perfect. A lot of people like to collect her shoes. They are collectible items just because of the amount of detail and craftsmanship that goes into each of the shoes. The shoes are available online. They are available in Nordstrom, Saks, a variety of stores, and you can also get them, like I did, at a discounted price at a luxury outlet. They have beautiful styles there, and you're gonna find them basically because they're not part of like the collection that just came out, but they are beautiful shoes and you are going to love them. Let me know in the comments if you own any of her shoes and which one is your pair. Also, let me know, out of all my shoe videos, which is the one that you like most. So I'm gonna end this shoe review right here. I hope that you loved it. I have tons of shoe review videos here on my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.